We'll show you how to create a watermark in Microsoft Word. Whether it's for confidentiality, branding, or style, adding a watermark is simple and effective. Open Microsoft Word and navigate to the Design tab at the top of the window. Click on the Watermark button, located on the far right. Choose a predefined watermark option, such as Confidential, or select Custom Watermark for more options. For a text watermark, click on Text Watermark and enter your desired text. Customize the font, size, and layout of the text watermark as needed. Click OK to apply the watermark to your document. To see the watermark, scroll to a blank page in your document. To remove the watermark, go back to the Watermark button and select Remove Watermark. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.